pants. It's so much less crowded today than the last time we were here. It's so much less crowded than the last time we were here.
Yeah.
There's no umbrellas about to take your eye out. Oh, look at that little pumpkin. I like his little hat. Oh, that's cute.
Watch their ears.
Okay. That's cool. You just like... Oh, that's really cute. Do you want one? How do you bring your own crate? Bring your own crate. I don't know what that means. Oh, socks! Look how cute these are. You want some sheep socks?
Sheep socks.
Sheep socks.
Oh, sheep.
Or alpaca? Something. Which ones? Holy cow. That's crazy. It's
So clumpy.
How many inches is that? 1, 2, 3 inches. That's nuts. I love these bags. I love how he's like on the airplane, like literally on an airplane.
Yes.
And being a ninja. Sushi hands. Okay. I don't know what this is. If I could fit into these clothes, I'd be all over it. Teacup Poodle Cafe. Oh, look at the Totoro sweatshirt. Oh, that's if I tried to draw Lampy. Ah, right there. Of course, there's a Claire's on Harajuku Street. Disney store. Oh, those are cute. I think are they cotton candy or are they ice cream?
Oh yeah, I bet you they're cotton candy. Yeah, cotton candy.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, look at these scarves.
Oh, look at those scarves. That is so cute. Oh. And like the little hats.
Yeah. How odd. Look at that picture. Born British, raised on the streets of New York.
What? Raised on the streets. That's so specific. I did want to be a Saiyan as a child. Oh, that's pretty. Sorry. Look at those boots.
Look at their tiny little feet.
Those feet are tiny. Like, smaller than my nose.
Totally. No.
Get you a sequin jersey shirt. Tom Ford. I don't know who Tom Ford is. Tom Ford. I don't know these people. I don't know if they are people or if it's a brand. Happy Hearts. Oh, it's lingerie. And onesies. Won't you be going in there? Strawberry fetish.
Strawberry special.
There's that. Frozen popcorn. Sweet, good grief. Teacup Poodle Cafe. It's like a cosplayer's dream. Tax free. They do like their crepes here. Oh, and a capybara.
Animal cafe. We can play with animals.
Don't know about the animal rights on that one. Oh, check those out.
I guess I can't tell if it's a bear or a dog.
You know, I think it's up for interpretation.
Yeah.
I don't know either. Micro Pig Mini Cafe. Owl Cafe. What's she doing? I think she's so happy that she's surrounded by so many dogs.
It's a bit intense.
That is very dramatic. I thought I was dramatic, but that's a bit much. Handmade slime. Look, you can get a pencil case that looks like a tube of like lotion
Oh.
or toothpaste.
Oh, yeah.
Pencils. Yeah, strawberry toothpaste.
Yeah, here it is. Yeah.
That's weird. $8 and it could be yours. I wonder what they'd do if we went into a shoe shop and asked for a size 10 women's. Or like
US side.
US
You'd have to
size.
figure out
What the conversion is on that. Oh, for Lampy, we could pretend to be a dog.
Yeah.
Because he's so human. It's a cute little seal. Oh, are these dog clothes? Yeah, they are. Going in. Oh, yeah, that's what I was looking at here. Shame. They're so stylish to be cones of shame. These are cute. I like this one.
Yeah.
I like the bunny's ears too.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
With bacon and egg on it.
Ooh, it looks just like normal spaghetti. Except
weird
that
stuff.
with the big
Yeah,
seeds in it.
Yeah.
What is that? Ew.
Not sure what. I think the black stuff is
Soybean, I think. Oh, maybe. I don't know.
yeah, I don't know.
We don't have to go there.
Amazing.
Dang, the heels are so much more than the rest of
The
it.
longer your shoe. Oh,
Fort Collins. They have a preserve. Hi. No. Oh, we gotta work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Veggies. Oh my goodness, that's a chunk. That is a chunk of chunk. That's a hunk of chunk. I have 2 more and 3 of you. So what am I to do? Uh-oh. Oh, they fell all the way through. Oh, sorry, little guys. That's it. Only I was an expert in otter behavior. An otter behaviorist. If you come home with me, I'll take you to the dentist.
Yeah. Maybe it's some string.
Oh, look at his back. He's been scratching a lot.
Yeah.
Oof. That doesn't look good.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, we're good.
You jab one. You got jab one.
Oh.
If you put the treats on the palm, then you can shake hands with. Yeah.
Last one.
He needs one, that guy. You haven't got one. That's
Get
it.
more food.
No more.